After doing the breakdown of the words ibuba and ijuba, I noticed that many of us confuse the words ba and ba because of the way we use them in our sentences. Now let us take it from here. The word ba doesn't really have too many meanings. It simply means to hide, to shield or cover, and by extension to protect, as we have it in words like oba, iba, ibuba, and what have you. But ba primarily means to rest upon, to land, or to touch. Now this is where the confusion comes from. There is a way the tonality of our words adjust so that it can blend well with the tone of the next word in the sentence. Speaking Yoruba is just like singing. When you sing, certain words will not be pronounced the normal way they are pronounced. I'll give you an example. Look at the word farabale. The ba there is actually ba. Fi ara ba si le. Literally, rest your body on the ground, which we use to mean relax, calm down. But in that word, ba is pronounced as ba farabale. So you may be tempted to mistake that word there, the word ba, as ba, but it is ba. The tone only adjusts so that it can blend well with ile. Ba ile sounds better than ba ile. Another example is foju ba odu. The ba there is actually ba. Fi oju ba, to set your eyes on something, but it doesn't really sound musical to say foju ba odu. That is why we adjust it and we say foju ba odu. How you will know that the ba there is only an adjustment of ba is in the expression amoju ba. If it is ba, we would have had amoju ba, but no, it is amoju ba. The same way we adjust the tone of that same word ba in the expression mo ba eru, mo beru. That ba in ba eru is actually ba, but because of the eru that comes next, because we want them to blend well, we say ba eru. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful in any way. Washiri.